Stop wasting time in the kitchen and start cooking smart. Introducing the all-new Gadget Rotary Cheese Grater, a kitchen tool that makes your daily cooking super fast and super easy. Just rotate the handle slightly, and cheese, vegetables, nuts, even ice. Everything gets perfectly grated in seconds. It comes with 5 powerful stainless steel blades, slicing, coarse shredding, extra fine shredding, and crushing, which means multiple functions in one machine. And the best part, the strong suction base. Just place it on a flat surface and it stays firmly in place. No slipping, no mess. Safety is also fully covered. Your hands stay completely away from the blades. Zero direct contact. And cleaning? Super easy. All parts are detachable and wash them quickly or put them in the dishwasher. No hassle at all. Whether you're making pasta, salad, or snacks, this grater becomes your perfect kitchen partner. Save time, reduce effort, and make cooking fun. So if you want to upgrade your kitchen, this product is a must-have. The link is in the description. Check it now and take your cooking to the next level. If you want this product, the link is in the description or message box. Copy the link, paste it on Google, and get yours now.